In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Lost Mode in the Find My app. If a device goes missing, Lost Mode is one of the fastest ways to protect your data and help someone return it to you safely. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID that's used on the missing device and that the device had Find My turned on previously. You don't need to be on the lost device itself. Any iPhone, iPad, or Mac with the Find My app will work. Start by opening the Find My app. This is Apple's built-in tool for locating and managing your devices, so it's available on most Apple devices and keeps everything in one place. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Devices. This tab lists all the devices associated with your Apple ID. Give it a moment to refresh, and you should see the device you're trying to secure. If you have many devices, scroll through the list and select the correct one. You'll see its last known location and some controls. Tap the device name to open its details. This screen shows a map, battery information if available, and options you can use to manage the device remotely. Now tap Lost Mode. This is the feature that locks the device, disables some sensitive features like certain wallet passes, and lets you share a way for someone to contact you without exposing your personal data. Tap Continue. You'll be guided through a couple of optional fields that can increase your chances of getting your device back. If you want, enter a phone number where you can be reached and tap Next. Choose a number that you can access right now, not the number of the missing device. This allows a finder to call you directly from the lock screen without seeing any other details. You can also enter a message and tap Activate. Keep it short, clear, and courteous. Something like a request to call the number shown if the device is found. This message will appear on the lock screen and your device will remain locked until you regain control. Once you activate, the device is marked as lost. From this point, it will attempt to update its location when it comes online, you'll receive notifications if its status changes, and your personal data remains protected behind the lock screen. If you recover the device later, you can return to Find My to turn off Lost Mode and resume normal use. That's it, quick, secure, and effective. Stay safe, and I hope this helps you act confidently if a device ever goes missing.